Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is another session about how to use ChatGPT to create VBA code that allows you to add comments to certain data that you filtered with certain criteria. First, let's look at the business scenario for this case. So in our last video, we were able to clean up the format for our dates so that now everything can be filled in a date format. So that's great. Now we can continue with the next step. So assume that in the next step, I want it to be like everyone who's hired in 2023, they are not eligible for the next compensation review. So for everyone whose date of hiring is in 2023, I want to add a comment in there to say that it's new hire, not eligible. How can we do that with ChatGPT? Now let's bring up our friend ChatGPT, and here is the instruction I gave ChatGPT. So create a VBA code that if the date in column G in this sheet employee records is greater than December 31st, 2022, add a comment and the text will be 2023 new hire not eligible for compensation review. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, after it's done, copy the code and let's go to the developer tab and then pasting our code. Okay, so in this code, it says that our worksheet will be the employee record. I like that. The last row is the row count. Also, as a reminder, in order for this line of code work properly, you cannot have blank in this column. If you have blank, you have to fix that first before you run this code. And also now it says that for each data in this range from G2 to the G last row, if the data value is greater than this, then we add a comment in of this text, which is great. That's what we want. Okay, looks good. Let's save the code and run it. Okay, so it seems that it's running in the column J. I think it's because of this line, offset 3. So let me go to offset 2 so that it goes to column I. And then let me clean this and let me run this line of code. Okay, perfect. So now this line of code is saying that you add the comment 2 columns aside. So that would be column I in this case. And then you add this comment, and you can also add a header to this column. And then now let's see if we added this comment for every single 2023 hires. Yes, we did. Perfect. So that's how ChatGPT can help us with this request. Okay, so that's everything I want to share with you today. If you want to learn more about how to set up VBA in your Excel file, or if you just want to know how to use ChatGPT to do more data cleaning, feel free to check the playlist I have listed in the link down below in my description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.